Welcome back to Timbo's Food Box. I'm Tim, and today I am opening a box I received from Fulton Fish Market. So let's just dive right in. I need to be blunt and honest with you here. I didn't buy this box. They sent me this box because they saw my last video and they absolutely loved it. So they're like, we want to just kind of give you something. But they also asked if they could use some of my video clips in their social media, which I think that's amazing. I feel very honored for that. So I think that's where the trade-off is coming from here is I gave them some video clips. They gave me another box of fish because the first box I got from them was just outstanding. And before we get into today's box, I do want to let you know that I can save you 15% off your first box from Fulton Fish Market. So click the link in my description and you'll save some money. So my last video of Fulton Fish Market, I really went into depth about the company and the history. Today, I'm just going to open up this box and show you what I got. So I got this today, roughly around 3 o'clock p.m. It is now closer to 9 p.m. On a Friday. We've been getting some outrageous thunderstorms today, so I really hope we don't lose power here, or else these lights will go off and I'll be in the dark. Then the pirates will get me. All right, well, before the pirates or the Kraken gets me, you know, the big octopus, let's get into this box. The woman who sent me an email this morning told me they packed this with plenty of ice, that I didn't have to worry about it sitting on my front stoop in 90-degree weather. I did bring it in within 20 minutes of them arriving, so it's been sitting in this garage since. Let's hope for the best. One more thing, because they sent me this, I am still going to be blunt and honest about everything inside here. If there is no dry ice, I'll frickin' say it how it is. But this was sent to me at no cost, which is pretty cool to be honest. But I'm not gonna relish in that. I'm just gonna get in here because I wanna see what they sent me. I have no idea, to be completely honest. The first box, I chose what was in that box, so I know what was in that box. This one is gonna be an absolute surprise. Wait a minute. The box does not smell like fish. The first box I got smelled like fish. This one does not smell like fish. See, they were listening to my last video. They're like, let's send them a box that's brand spanking new. We got the plastic on top again. And on top, I think it was ripped jeans, if I'm correct. Yep. We have the ripped jeans material that I can pull apart here. So you see here, it's a very fluffy, it almost looks like something when you find a rat or mouse nest. Kind of looks like that, but I'm sure it's not. So this is just, you know, recycled clothing. It does a really good job insulating this box. And that's what we got inside. Really nice presentation on top here. Aloha. There. Thank you from everyone here at Fulton Fish Market. Enjoy your fresh catch. We can't wait to see what you make. Be sure to tag us on Instagram, Fulton Fish Market. Packaged by KC. Postcard. Each month, our fishmongers handpick a new item for you to try. And that looks like it is a Dover sole. I do not know what a Dover sole is. There could be some fish in here I've never had before. I am excited to try. I love fish. I love fish. Do you like fish? I love fish. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite fish is. Also, be sure to smash that like button if you're liking my content, of course. All right, meal prepping made easy with a subscription. You can save up to 5% off when you sign up for their subscription program. I wonder if you save 5% plus my additional 5, so that'd be like 20% off. That's pretty cool. All right, get 5% off every order plus earn 5 Fulton loyalty points per dollar. Redeem dollars off future purchases. With the subscription, you also get priority access to seasonal items and holiday delivery slots. One-time add-ons available for each delivery. Pause, cancel, and modify your subscription at any time. You can also gift subscriptions to loved ones. So say you sign up for this, right? You sign up for Fulton for an entire year, and say maybe like 3 months, you actually get boxes of fish, and then your freezer's full. Next month's rolling around, and it's your son's anniversary. Hey guys, I'm gonna send you a nice little box of fish for you to enjoy. For Father's Day, if I can get some nice pieces of fish to put on my grill, summertime. But then again, in the winter, I love cooking up sushi. So getting some high heat tuna or something like that. Whew. All right, this is making me hungry. All right, let's continue onwards. We have a plastic bag here. We got welcome. Today we're giving you access to one and only Fulton Fish Market. Our Fulton guarantee in action. We go way back with our vendors, forging long-term relationships. So we can not only have the freshest picks of the catch, but there also is a clear on quality and want. The best tasting fish, period. How do you know you're getting the freshest and the best? Unlike your average grocery store, our team will always choose the highest quality product we have in market. Regardless of the cost to us, Fulton, meaning us, on Monday, fish special, leftovers. We don't compromise our standards because we're doing this for over 200 years. And we know great fish when we see it. And then there's a little QR code at the bottom here. And it says, visit our content on the hub and become a seafood expert. I might have to do that for this channel because I know fish, but obviously I don't know all fish. Take your next step in the order. A la carte, and then they gave me some coupon codes here. QR code, create an account, sign up for email and SMS, learn about the subscription, start your fish list, shop freshly frozen. We have the storage and handling instructions pamphlet, general tips, always keep seafood in the coldest part of your fridge, keep the original packaging when possible. These guidelines are for fresh, uncooked seafood. Whole seafood for cooking within 3 days. Store in a refrigerator in the original packaging or on a bed of ice covered with damp paper towel until you are ready to cook. Fillets, portion, and steaks. Cooking within 2 days. Store in a refrigerator in the original packaging or on a bed of ice with a damped paper towel until you're ready to cook. Live mussels, oysters, and clams for consumption within 3 days of receiving your package. Shellfish are alive and should be stored in an open container in the refrigerator covered with a damp towel to maintain humidity. If shellfish are open, tap them to see if they'll close. Discard any shellfish that do not close. Soft shell clams should be consumed within 2 days. Discard all shellfish that do not open during cooking. Shrimp, squid, scallops, and crab. Store in the refrigerator in the original packaging over a bed of ice and cover with a damp towel. You must cook this within 2 days. Sea urchin or uni. Store in the refrigerator. Eat the uni within the first or second day you receive it. Do not freeze uni. Last brochure is quick cooking instructions. Wow. Tells you everything. I like this. I like this company. Like, this is so handy to have. I don't know if I'll read all of this, but some of them are salmon, whitefish, tuna and frozen swordfish, oysters, shrimp, scallops, clams, and mussels. Mussels pair great with garlic, lemon, and parsley. I love mussels. All right, put this all off to the side. Let's see what we got in here. All right, we got on top here. This is a really cold Fulton Fish Market sweatshirt. Oh my goodness, that's banging. I love that. How do I look? I feel like I'm rocking this. Perfect. Great size. So I just got a sweatshirt and I decided to put it on. What do you think? Fulton Fish Market in the house. Whoop, whoop. All right, next item. Oh, we're going with the trend here. I got Fulton Fish Market hat. Look at that, it fits. I got all the swag now. All I need now is a gold ring and I'll be all set. All right, let's be serious. Let's get in here. Box is feeling really cold. I'm not gonna lie, this hat is really cold. Next, whoa, did you just see all that? There's a piece of cardboard on top here. Caution, dry ice. Dry ice can burn you. Look at how much dry ice I got. It's frosty. I got a bucket. Can you guess what I'm about to do? Oh. Now I got the real effect. The Kraken is coming. All right, let's see what fish we have in here. First item, really cold, hard as a rock. We have halibut, Atlantic wild frozen, 2 7-ounce regular portion, North America. 120 calories for 3 ounces and 23 whopping grams of protein per 3 ounces. That's a lot of protein. I only care about protein and calories and fiber. Next item, we have shrimp, blue Mexican 16 to 20, Del Pacifico, wild frozen, 1 pound. P&D, tail off Mexican bag. Wild blue shrimp, tail off, raw. That is a hefty bag of blue shrimp. To be honest, I don't know if I've ever had blue shrimp. Does it turn blue when you cook it? For 4 ounces is 120 calories. 23 grams of protein. Wow, that is huge. There's no fiber, but I don't expect fiber in fish. I can't wait to try that. Maybe I'll make a pasta dish tomorrow night. Next item, it's in a bag by the way. We have bass, Chilean Sea, wild frozen, regular portion, chili. 2 really big fillets. Look at the size of those suckers. Never had wild bass before. For 3 ounces, it's 110 calories and 20 grams of protein. Wow. That is so cool. What else we got in the box? Oh, are you kidding me? Come on, Fulton, you didn't have to do that. We have wild dry sea scallops. Oh, I love sea scallops. 110 calories for a half a cup, and that is equating to 20 grams of protein. Check out these Fulton sea scallops. That's it, folks. That's all I got in my box. Let's take the paper out. Woo! To be honest, I'm getting kind of hot wearing this sweatshirt. And this hat, it's not so cold anymore. But wow, thanks again, Fulton, for this awesome sweatshirt and hat. And for allowing me to try some of your fish. I haven't tried your sea scallops yet. I haven't tried your blue shrimp yet. I haven't tried your sea bass yet. And I haven't tried your halibut yet. This looks a lot like cod. I'm not gonna lie, I am pumped. I was not expecting to get this today. I got an email, and then within a few hours, this was at my front door. The customer service at Fulton Fish Market is just amazing. And I just wanna thank everybody over there for sending me this swag and sending me some fish to try. I can't wait to cook up all this fish and tell you my real experience and do a quick taste test. I know it's gonna taste good because everything I got in my last box was amazing. And cooking swordfish, it's not so easy to cook on the grill as I thought, but I was able to get it done. Well, that's it for today. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It is a free way to help support this channel and just allow us to grow. Don't forget, if you want to save some money off your very first order, be sure to check out my description down below. I'll also pin it in my comments. Please note, for YouTube Shorts, I'm not allowed to put links anymore in my description. I'll be sure to put a link in my profile. I'm also going to link my full review of the Fulton Fish Market box, and I'll even maybe swap in and put my original review. And if you look right there, that's the link. Click the link and it'll bring you to the YouTube video. The reason they took links out of the body of YouTube Shorts is because there's a lot of spam out there. So YouTube is being smart and trying to cut back on that, but it hurts me because I can't really put my affiliate links anywhere. So this is how you do it. Well, thanks again for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I definitely did. I got a nice cool box. I got a smoky experience going on over here with the dry ice. I got some really nice fish. So, if you like this video, just check out this video right here. YouTube just told me that it's recommending it to you. So, do you trust YouTube? I do. Check it out. All right, this is Tim signing off. Catch me on my next fishing adventure. See ya. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.